I have 4 kids myself, and I can't imagine how it feels not to be able to feed them nutritious meals every single day.
Our farmers donate approximately 1,000 chickens a week, which go to our processors. They make weekly deliveries to Harvest Manitoba.
So free run means they can run anywhere and everywhere throughout a spacious barn. Free range means that they can go outside.
I take my responsibilities to taking care of this farm very seriously, and the chickens that are in my barns. I take it as seriously as I take my role in taking care of my family. I'm very proud to be a Manitoba Chicken Farmers. We're part of a whole community that makes sure there's fresh, local chicken on our shelves every day of the year.
So good.
Hi, I'm Claudia.
Hi, and I'm Michael.
And we're the Woman family. We just go walk to the barn and we check on our chickens to make sure that they have access to food and water. And we check for the temperature, if that's correct, and check the humidity, and just to make sure that our chickens are healthy and happy.
Hey, it's Restaurant Faves tonight with Gina Sunderland and Manitoba Chicken, and we have our classic chicken burger sliders. These look, or they're going to look, absolutely incredible when we're done with them. So, Gina, let's go through our recipes one more time.
Okay, Des. So tonight we started out by making our easy chicken piccata, a beautiful, simple recipe that combines lemon and one of my favorite things, fresh thyme. And then we moved right on into a chicken Italian classic, our oven-baked chicken parmigiana. And we finished off this evening with our easy chicken meatballs with tomato sauce.
Joining us all the way from Blumenort, Manitoba, is Andrew Reimers. Good morning, Andrew.
Good morning, Derry.
So you're a chicken farmer. Tell me a little bit about your farm.
Well, I am a 5th generation grain and chicken farmer from Blumenort, like you said. I farm together with my dad, wife, and 4 kids, and I've been farming my whole life, and I can't imagine doing anything else.
So tell me a little bit about your work, Evie. So my name is Evie, and I am a chicken farmer, and my husband and I raise broiler chickens, which are chickens raised for meat.
Well, you know, when it gets a little colder out, the days get shorter, our appetites change, and we start craving those healthy comfort foods. Yeah. So I've got 2 terrific, comforting Manitoba chicken recipes to share with everyone. I love these recipes for so many reasons. 1, they're delicious, of course. They're very easy to prepare. They use bone-in chicken, so it's also really economical. And I love that you can get them ready the night before and then just pop them in the oven when you get home.
The best way to produce a good flock is to get a good start. And the chickens, or the chicks, do so much better in a good, clean environment. And so that's what we provide them every single time.